Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyar. Welcome to Pool Masters reaction and commentary videos. For today's reaction video, pag-usapan natin tong laban ni Efren Bata Reyes versus kay Tim Bronner. Ito yung 9-ball benefit tournament match. At ang laban na ito ay race to 5 alternate breaking rule. Si Reyes ang nanalo sa lag, kaya siya yung magbe-break dito sa rack number 1. May pumasok na isang bola dito sa corner pocket at meron siyang available shot dito sa ball number 1. Tingnan natin kung maka-run out si Reyes dito sa rack number 1.
Hard to get the one ball out enough.
Yeah, roll the cue ball forward with follow and hope the one ball goes towards the left corner and gives you a shot. Just a bit more.
Mukhang hindi nakuha ni Reyes yung combination doon at nagkaroon ng available shot dito si Tim Bronner.
Still the first shot since he's had lunch. He wasn't on a table warming up, guys.
Snack. Back cut cue ball. Ooh, good save. I was thinking you might go for the pot.
So nag-play safe muna si Tim Bronner at kick shot naman si Reyes.
Wow, what a save.
So counter safety ang ginawa dito ni Reyes. Mukhang magte-trading sila ng safety shot dito sa ball number 1 na ito.
Brandon has a similar shot if he wants to take it.
Another counter safety shot galing dito kay Bronner at magre-response dito si Reyes. Ang laro na ito ay isang benefit tournament match at mananalo ng $5,000 ang magiging champion dito sa tournament na ito. Si Efren Bata Reyes ay ininbitahan dito sa laro na ito upang mag-participate at siya yung key personnel dito sa match na ito. So nasa final and elimination si Reyes. Ang mananalo sa elimination round na ito ay pupunta sa quarterfinals. Ito yung race to 5. Makikita natin dito sa laro na ito. Si Tim Bronner ay isa rin sa rising star ng US para sa billiard. Isa siyang local player pero napakahusay din niya sa cueing and cue ball control. Ito nga dito nakalaban niya si Efren Bata Reyes at naka-posisyon si Bronner dito sa home court advantage.
My jaw's on the floor still.
Sumablay yung tira doon ni Efren Reyes, nag-cliff hanging dito sa corner, kaya nagkaroon ng opportunity itong si Tim Bronner para maipasok niya itong 3 ball or 5 ball.
Magical.
Control there. He has to run into this 8. He just has to make sure when he doesn't gives it enough, like good enough angle or speed to not get stuck on it. And you should have the 5 in the same pocket.
Or avoid it.
Yeah, I like it to just.
Mahusay din ito sa pocketing si Tim Bronner at napaka-precise din ng tira niya. Katulad ni Efren Bata Reyes, itong si Tim Bronner mahusay din sa ball control. Kaya match na match silang dalawa dito sa laro na ito. Makikita nyo yung ball positioning nitong si Tim Bronner. Halos kaparehas ng ball positioning nito ni Reyes.
He's been shooting good though. It's been fun.
excited. Understandably so.
Last 2 ball dito si Bronner at sinipat niya itong 8 ball para dito sa corner pocket.
Run out. Good discipline. Get back up.
Plays with topspin, working hard.
Napakahusay nung tira na yun, no? At makita ninyo yung precision nung ginawa doon ni Tim Bronner.
Still has a shot.
Ngunit medyo mahirap itong last ball na ito, nasa long shot pati at nakadikit itong cue ball dito sa rail at medyo mahirapan dito si Bronner dahil long shot at walang maayos na ball control dito sa cue ball. Medyo na-overcut ni Tim Bronner itong 9 ball kaya hindi pumasok. Back to table si Reyes. So, pwedeng ibang shot ni Reyes dito sa side pocket or dito sa corner pocket.
Like the whole claw, like in the side, or even on the front too.
Mukhang makapal yung tira na yun ni Reyes pero ganun pa man, maganda yung kanyang estimation, no? Kung hindi pumasok,
Exactly.
meron pa rin siyang play safe kaya inilayo niya rin itong cue ball.
10 out of 10.
Napakahusay talaga mag-isip nitong si Efren Reyes. Double safety yung tinira niya dyan pero ang intention niya is ibang shot. So kung pumasok, that is okay, pero kung hindi pumasok, play safe naman at napakalayo pa ng cue ball. So tingnan natin discarded dito ni Tim Bronner.
Wow, what a
Atin shot at nailayo pa rin ni Tim Bronner, no? Mahusay pa rin itong si Tim Bronner.
good nerves too. Play that shot against Efren.
At ito mukhang tinitingnan ni Reyes kung saan niya ipapapasokin itong 9 ball. At nakapag-desisyon nga siya ng 4 rail kick shot.
Ooh, the
Go for
four
it.
railer.
Let's go.
Napakahusay, pumasok. Sayang, konti na lang kinabahan itong si Tim Bronner at napatawa na lang siya doon sa magic shot na yun ni Efren Reyes. Hindi makapaniwala doon sa nakita niya na yun. Grabe talaga itong si Reyes.
I thought that was it.
I thought it was it.
So hindi makamove on itong si Tim Bronner, no, dahil na-shock siya doon sa tira ni Reyes na yun. Napakalupit talaga nung kung pumasok. Naipasok ni Tim Bronner itong 9 ball kaya 1-0. Si Bronner ngayon ang magbe-break sa rack number 2.
Good first game. That was a really good first game.
Big bag of marshmallows everywhere I go.
Why?
May pumasok doon sa side pocket, no, at mukhang nagkaroon ng harang itong ball number 1 dito sa break ni Tim Bronner. So tingnan natin kung makagawa siya ng paraan dito sa next object ball.
Brennan electing to push out.
So nag-push na lang dito si Tim Bronner dahil wala siyang possible shot. Kaya si Efren Reyes back to table dito sa
Brennan might have left.
ball number 2.
Jump shot.
Tingnan natin kung maipasok ito ni Reyes. So nag-cushion for si Reyes at nilayo niya itong object ball sa cue ball. Very rigid ang position nitong 2 ball kaya tingnan natin kung anong discarded dito ni Tim Bronner.
Brennan has a good opportunity here to play safe behind the 5. It's a pretty big ball and he can aim just to die it on the rail.
Sablay pa rin dyan si Efren Reyes at yun mukhang makikick shot niya yung isang bola, hindi pumasok. Kaya Mayroong possible shot si Tim Bronner, ngunit
miraculously.
very rigid ang position niya, malayo. So tingnan natin kung maipasok ito ni Tim.
Tell Evan he's feeling good last 2 days. Ladies and gentlemen, he has been
Kumuha ng extension si Tim at tingnan natin kung maabot niya itong ball number 2.
matches showing off, signing, even when he's sitting down while the other person shooting, walk up and
Pasok ang 2 at maganda ang ball position niya dito sa 3.
non-stop feeling the last 2 days, no doubt. I didn't work.
You didn't play 100 plus
I
matches.
didn't play 100 plus matches. No, 20, 15 more.
This combo is not too difficult, but it's just controlling the white ball and the ball.
Maganda yung combination na yun ni Tim at nagkaroon siya ng available shot dito sa ball number 2 pero humarang ng kaunti itong ball number 8. So tingnan natin kung maipasok niya ng cushion first itong ball number 2.
Cue ball naturally goes down table for the 6 after that shot. Oh, but electing to jump. Jump works too. Only problem is that the one benefit to kicking at this is that the cue ball naturally go down table if you do make it, but the jump works as well. I think the 6 passes the 7, so we'll definitely have a chance at running out if he does make this jump.
So inestima ni Brandon yung jump shot dito sa 4 at ganun nga naipasok niya at nagkaroon siya ng available shot dito sa ball number 6.
I think you can't see it. That's a long shot to the bottom right corner here.
Mahilig talaga sa mga jump shot yung mga next generation, no? Hindi tulad ni Efren Bata Reyes, yung kanyang ginagamit para tamaan ng bola ay mga rails at cushion, kaya tinawag siyang master of kick shot.
Good angle on the side.
Ang mga new generation ngayon, mahilig sila sa mga jump shots. So nahirapan sila sa angle and geometry, no? Pero si Reyes talaga, yan yung expertise niya. Aiming si Brandon dito sa ball number 7. Last 3 ball ni Brandon dito sa rack number 2. Maganda pa rin ang ball position niya.
It's hard, extra heavy.
I'm sure he feels it in his forearms. His heart is pumping right now.
Pasok ang 8 at maganda ang ball position niya sa 9. Mukhang makaka-run out dito si Tim Bronner, no? Dito sa rack number 2. This is a race to 5 lang, mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard, at nangunguna at leading dito si Tim Bronner.
That sure is a nice, cool toy that's come out in the last.
Pasok ang 9, 2-0 ang score natin.
Have that in your repertoire, but
Si Reyes ang magbe-break sa rack number 3.
on the bridge is definitely easier to control.
This is a race to 5, 9 ball, alternate breaking rule. Si Efren Reyes ay 0 at si Tim Bronner naman ay 2. May pumasok sa corner pocket. Mukhang humarang itong cluster ball doon sa 1 ball, no? So walang tira dito si Reyes. Mukhang gagamit pa siya ng kick shot or push. Ito, nag-push nga dito si Reyes.
Might be the
It's not
type.
a bad push. But you're tempted to take it because you can make the 1 and then the 2, but what are you going to do with the 3?
Yeah.
So there's where I'm thinking maybe hitting the left side of the 1, play the 1. That was sort of what I was thinking.
Play safe si Tim, pero double shot itong si Tim at ganun pa man, naitago niya sa likuran ng 2 and 7 ball itong ball number 1. 2 rail kick shot dito si Reyes. Na-hook niya yung 1 pero ito na open at na benta dito kay Tim Broner itong 1 ball. Tingnan natin kung makaran out ulit dito si Tim Broner.
Overcut it by maybe a hair. I didn't even think of doing that.
Yeah, I didn't either. I was going for the pot all day. Good shot though. It was very close to me.
Napakahusay nung cut nito ni Reyes, no? Long shot yun pero naipasok pa rin niya. Matindi talaga ito si Reyes sa mga pinahan. At ito, aiming siya ngayon sa ball number 2. Pasok pa rin ang ball number 2 at may ball position siya dito sa 3.
Little thinner than he might want, but he has the stroke to just dive into the pocket. You always think you have to hit this shot hard, and that's what I love about seeing him shoot. If he decides to go for it, of course. He seems like he's going to play safe, but when he makes those thin cuts like that, he always strokes it so.
Nag-play safe muna dito si Reyes at naitago niya sa likuran nitong ball number 5. May available shot siya pero tingnan natin kung may pasok ito ni Tim Broner. Naipasok pa rin ni Tim Broner at maganda ang ball position niya dito sa 4.
Better here than straight.
Yeah.
Na overcut ni Tim, no, itong ball number 5 at medyo na open niya dito sa side pocket. Tingnan natin kung mapina ito ni Reyes at makakuha ng ball position dito sa 6. Pasok ang 6 at nakakuha ng magandang ball position bagamat ito isang long shot. Tingnan natin kung malinaw pa rin ang mata ni Reyes dito sa long shot. 6 ball sa corner pocket. Napakahusay, napakalinaw ng mata at ito, ang ganda pa ng ball position niya dito sa 7. Grabe talaga ito si Reyes. Eksakto pa rin ang ball position sa 9. Score natin 2-0 at mukhang makaka-score dito si Reyes. 2-1 ang score. Nakaposition siya ng isa. Si Bronner naman ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 4. Pumasok sa side pocket yung 1 ball at tingnan natin kung meron siyang available shot dito sa 2. Medyo nakatago ng konti dito sa 8 ball at nakaharang ng kaunti itong isang bola. Sablay doon si Tim at kumalog no doon sa corner pocket. Nagkaroon ng available shot dito si Reyes. Kaya tingnan natin kung makahabol dito si Reyes. Medyo na undercut ni Reyes yung tres na yun kaya sumablay at nagkaroon ng opening dito kay Tim Bronner.
A lot of work still left to do in this rack too.
One of the things that Steve had me work on this week also, or gave me this week, is that shot and knowing how hard or how much that cue ball travels.
Eksakto yung pasok nung tres. Medyo rigid lang ang ball position niya dito sa 4. Tingnan natin kung maka run out dito si Tim Bronner. Ang score natin labang dito si Tim Bronner 2-1. This is a race to 5, 9 ball with alternate breaking rule. So si Tim Bronner ang nasa table, aiming dito sa ball number 4.
You know it, exactly. But I hadn't thought of that measurement like that on the side rails. Lengthwise I have.
Nag-play safe at mukhang papasok pa yata yung 4. Pumasok, hindi. Ang lupit talaga, eksakto pa no. So nagawang play safe dito ni Tim at ito kick shot si Reyes at baka may pasok niya yung 4. Sinundan ni Reyes ng tira na ipasok niya yung 4. Ang lupit talaga ni Reyes, grabe. May available shot sa 5 at meron siyang dapat i-break dito sa cluster ball sa ibaba.
I love when Efren points at things because
Me too.
just like
Is that where he's saying the cue ball's gonna bounce off that rail? So that's where he's aiming for the cue ball to go. So he can get behind the 6.
Sablay doon si Reyes at mukhang na-open itong table dito kay Tim Bronner no. So open itong 5 ball sa side pocket or sa corner pocket. So kailangan niya rin kumuha ng ball position dito sa 6.
funny on this. It's not.
Yusuf Amir chiming in live. He says having an extension is guaranteed to give you fun of 50 points or your money back.
For all claims, please message Yusuf directly. We do not. How you doing, Yusuf?
No guarantees on Fargo and Grace will fix it.
Eksaktong pasok yung ball number 6, no, at mukhang magkakaroon ng combination dito 7 to 8 or doon sa corner pocket sa itaas itong 7. Tingnan natin alin sa dalawa yung
Good shot by 11, I promise.
corner pocket, yung 7 ball.
Do you drill it or do you play safe? How confident are you feeling in it?
Right?
He drills it. Great shot.
Napakahusay ng ball positioning dito ni Tim Broner, no, at eksakto dito sa 8 sa side pocket.
We were all thinking it.
I've never seen him shoot before, so. And he's doing it against the most pressure he's probably ever felt. Playing with effort.
Pasok ang 8 at maganda rin ang ball position sa 9. Mukhang makaka 3-1 dito si Tim Broner. This is a race to 5. Tingnan natin kung ma-accomplish ito ni Tim. Pasok ang 9, 3-1 at si Efren Reyes naman ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 5. 3-1 ang score natin, lamang dito si Tim Broner. Mukhang dry break itong tira ni Reyes at back to table si Tim. Meron siyang available shot doon sa 1 ball.
And it looks like the same exact link and the same exact problem. I went through a different way to find the link. I thought maybe it would.
Napakahusay nung tin cut na yun ni Tim, no? Pero nagkaroon siya ng bad positioning dito sa ball number 2. Mukhang humarang itong 9, kaya tingnan natin. Kumuha na naman ng jump stick itong si Tim. Mukhang magja-jump shot siya dito sa ball number 2.
Yep.
The only one going. Efren Reyes is only playing in one tournament right now. He is the GOAT. We still
Tinamaan niya yung 2 pero hindi pumasok. At ito nga, na handa, no, na open kay Reyes itong ball number 2. Ngunit merong konting harang dito sa gitna, no, itong 6. Pero tingnan natin kung makuha pa rin ito ni Reyes. Play safe si Reyes dyan sa ball number 2 at mukhang open lang, no? Pwedeng ikat ni Tim Broner itong 2 at makaposisyon siya dito sa ball number 3.
What's cool is in the exhibition, if something like this came up, he would go over to the rail and kind of point for you, like, try it right here.
And most of the time, or you would definitely hit it.
My favorite one is the 3-reel kick for the 9-year-old girl. And she made it with scratch. She made it too well.
Wait for it. Wait for it. That would have been crazy.
That would have been so crazy.
Sumablay doon sa 3 si Tim, no, at na open kay Reyes. Mukhang
Yes, 5 for Gala.
ball in hand dito si Reyes, kaya tutok sa 3, pasok at makakuha siya ng ball position dito sa 4. Eksakto yung kanyang ball positioning, no? At the same time dito sa 5 na sa malapit na.
But it goes 2 more rails and then hits it. And I didn't know whether or not he was going for 3 rails, just hit it 2. But no, then he did it over and over again.
Oh,
it was
so
like,
he's definitely going for that. Wow.
Maybe it was like hitting it hard enough to go 5 rails in case.
Wow, very uncharacteristic miss there by Efren. Did get the save though. You see him throw his hands up.
Nakuha pa rin na i-play safe dito ni Reyes itong 5, kaya hirap dito sa ball position itong si Tim Brandon, Tim Bronner.
Oh, what a shot.
What a kick.
Ang husay nung kanyang cushion first kick shot at naipasok niya yung 5. Meron siyang available na shot dito sa 6, pero tingnan natin kung hindi siya tatama dito sa 8.
Great shot there. Even had a massade a little bit to create a little more angle and spin to reach that ball. Great shot. Think he comes up and down here?
I think you have to.
Wow, what a shot.
That ended up working out for him. I don't think he was. It didn't seem like he was very specific with where the cue ball was going.
Yeah. Just let speed guide a general area.
Yeah.
Maganda ang pinakita doon ni Tim Bronner, no, na ipasok yung 6 at maganda ang ball position dito sa 7. Mukhang makaka-run out dito si Tim Bronner, no, at makauna siya sa hill score. Uy, sumobra. Medyo nagmadali doon si Tim Bronner at nagmintis siya doon sa 7. Never mong gawin yan kay Efren Bata Reyes dahil uubusin niya ang bola pag ganyan nakakonti. Lalo na mahabol siya ng score. Yan ang malaking lesson na matututunan dito ni Tim Bronner, no? Hindi ka pwedeng magbigay ng tira kay Reyes, lalo na sa mga ganyang easy shots. So, tinry ni Tim Bronner na makakuha ng ball position, pero yun, nagmintis siya. At ito si Reyes mukhang tumanda na talaga. Sobrang nipis yung kanyang tira doon, no? At open na open. Nagkaroon pa talaga ng chance itong si Tim Bronner makahabol.
You need to make it more Philippines, like someone bring in a chicken.
Yeah, the chicken running across the table.
Eksakto yung kanyang ball position dito sa side pocket. Mahusay yung ginawa doon at
Yeah, the kid with the camera and the video.
pasok. 4-1 ang score natin, no? Lamang na lamang dito si Bronner. Siya pa ang magbe-break sa rack number 6. Last rock ito ni Tim Bronner at tingnan natin kung makabawi dito si Reyes. May pumasok na bola dito sa side pocket. Available shot pa rin dito sa ball number 1. Last rock na ito ni Tim at makita natin habol talaga dito si Reyes, no? This is a race to 5 match.
Exhausted by us streetlights. I can tell you personally, he was still up at 2 a.m.
Mahusay yung pagkaka-play safe dito ni Tim Bronner, no? At naitago niya dito sa likuran ng ball number 2 at medyo malayo itong shot na ito.
Yeah. It's hard to start these tournaments early. So much of the ball is just late into the night.
Yes.
Yeah.
Na-open ang 1 ball kay Tim kaya back to table siya.
Played a money game after.
So medyo nahirapan dito si Reyes sa match nila ni Tim Broner dahil
No.
maganda rin ang pinapakita nito ni Broner.
Bob.
Mm.
Bob. Not a member.
Oh, okay.
Did you know Efren was in a movie? I don't remember the name of the movie. It was made in the 90s, and it's obviously all in Tagalog. It's in the Philippines, and it's a pool movie. We put it on last night. Put it on YouTube. Efren
Sablay na naman doon si Reyes, no? Medyo makapal yung tira na yon at open ulit ang table dito kay Tim Broner. Maganda ang ball position. Tingnan natin kung matalo na niya talaga dito si Reyes.
John Wayne kind of, you know what I mean? He's like
Yeah.
the famous one. Named Fernando Poe.
That's
That
awesome.
was really cool.
Oh, I know what I'm watching tonight.
He's got jet black hair, Efren. You know, he's from the 90s.
That's awesome. That's so cool.
Even though I couldn't understand the thing that was happening. Is Ryan and Lando would periodically try and
Kumiss yung ball number 2 doon sa 3 kaya hindi pumasok. Back to table si Reyes. Mukhang maganda ang ball position kaya tingnan natin kung makarun out si Reyes dito at makahabol sa score.
Oh, good stroke there.
Beautiful.
Napakahusay talaga ng ball position ni Reyes and ball control, no? Eksaktong-eksakto dito sa 5 ay sa 3.
Wow. That'll get there.
That'll work. Draw right into the long rail, come back out.
Nice. Keith, if you find that movie with subtitles, let me know. I definitely want to watch it and understand what's happening. Also, don't remember the name of the movie being not named in
That was a great stroke, Lance. Perfect.
2-4. Subscription does help us. So, don't miss out.
4 ang score natin dyan. Panalo si Reyes doon sa rack number 6 na yun. At ito si Reyes ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 7.
Pros coming in, playing with other big pros. Big pros playing.
Dalawa ang bola na pumasok. Isa sa side at isa sa corner pocket. 1 ball at saka yung 5 ball ang pumasok at maganda ang ball position dito sa 2 sa side pocket. So tingnan natin kung makarun out ulit dito si Reyes at makahabol sa score.
Just gotta get the pass. The nonsense. Oh, it touched it. If it just didn't clip it, it would have gotten past it. Okay, it had enough speed to get around it. Yes, that's the name of the movie, Partners. That's it. Thank you for highlighting it. I knew I wouldn't remember this. Not in English.
Yeah.
Napakahusay nitong play safe nito ni Reyes, no? At talagang idinikit niya pa dito sa ball number 4 itong cue ball. So tingnan natin dito si Tim kung magawa niya ng paraan itong kick shot para sa ball number 3.
Still gonna need a lot of spin to create that angle. Got it. Good hit.
Tinamaan ni Tim yung 3 pero na-open ang bola dito kay Reyes. So tingnan natin, maganda na ang ball position na ito. Baka maka-run out si Reyes dito at matapyasan niya pa ng isang score itong lamang ni Tim Broner.
It's hard to play
Ang score natin ay 4-2.
safe right back.
Nice.
If he has too much angle, you can always draw into the long rail. Yeah, get back for the 6.
Last 2 balls si Reyes dito sa rack number 7. Mukhang makaka-run out siya dito at makahabol pa ng isang puntos.
Just like that. It's looking like 3-4.
Pasok ang 9. Ito, nakahabol pa ng isang puntos si Reyes. 4-3 ang score. Lamang pa rin si Tim at si Tim ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 8. May pumasok na isang bola sa corner pocket.
United.
Open ang 1 ball dito kay Tim Broner.
I like it.
What are they uniting? I don't know. But
Under perfect accuracy. Like saying, like, what else could it stand for?
nice shot.
Mahusay yung play safe dito ni Tim Broner, no, at naitago niya itong ball number 1 sa likod ng ball number 6. So tingnan natin kung ma-kick shot ito ni Reyes.
Watch the cue. See where he points.
Steve Fleming reminding us always kick.
Oh, yep.
Cesar Morales. Ethan's alias.
Ooh. It's really close. And still ended up safe.
Mahusay itong counter safety ni Reyes at itinry niyang i-kick shot yon pero hindi pumasok. Ganun pa man na nakapag play safe si Reyes dito sa ball number 1.
Nice.
Counter safety naman si Reyes, no? Tinago niya sa likuran ng 7 itong cue ball.
But that's better shot.
Right? When arguably one of the best bankers in the world doesn't go for the bank, it really puts it into perspective that the bank's the wrong shot.
Yep. Look cool though.
It did. I was thinking that too. I'm like, well, bonus points for looking cool.
Yeah.
2-rail kick on the 5. Unfortunately, the one's the ball we had to hit.
Oh.
The exhaustion and a bit of lack of focus just setting right at the wrong time. You know, when you watch the players long time ago on ESPN, they would cut out so much. They would cut out racks, they would cut out, and most of the racks that they would put up were like the break and runs, and you wouldn't get to see the human
Right.
part of them that does miss. I remember my first time watching a pro tournament live in person when they, I mean, this was before they had live streams everywhere.
Right.
Live stream, obviously, you catch everything.
But not like episode like ESPN.
Yeah, they would definitely
TV.
cut out. They would cut to a commercial break, they'd come back and be like, what? Why is the score different? That's messed up. Took out a game.
Nag-play safe dyan si Brandon pero na-open pa rin itong dos kay
Might have
Reyes.
been like one of
Tingnan
those
natin
things,
kung
I'll go to the
maipasok ni
bathroom right
Reyes
after
itong
and run
dos
this.
dito
I
sa
got
corner
ball in,
pocket.
I'll run this out, go to the bathroom right after that. And then you run it, if you miss it, you're like, oh, I was...
Napakahusay nung cut na yun, no? Pumasok sa corner at possible shot ni Reyes dito sa
right angle.
5 side pocket. Pasok yung 5 at maganda ang ball position sa 6.
That was close. Keith, that's so awesome. Thank you for sharing that. That's how we all felt too. I think.
Yeah.
I mean, it just.
Last 3 ball dito si Reyes at maganda ang ball position niya. 7 sa corner pocket.
Time with them in any capacity, whether on the table, shaking a hand, getting a picture. It's awesome.
Everybody says it, but it's true. Like Efren is such a nice guy too. He's so like fun and like going.
He was having a great time with us.
Yeah.
Pasok ang 8 at ito umikot ng konti itong
A lot of players who were
cue ball at
they all
dumikit
have-
dito
they
sa
have a different style.
ball number 9.
I gotta say, Efren.
Pero may possible shot siya dito sa corner pocket sa ibaba. So tingnan natin kung ma-accomplish yan ni Reyes.
He's got the straight in shot on the 10. Or the, you know,
Eksaktong-eksakto yung tira ni Reyes, no? Ito, nakatabla na. Heel-to-heel match na ito. Si Reyes ang magbe-break sa rack number 9.
See if I can't tell who that is. That Big
Come on,
John.
Brandon, let's go, baby.
Walang pumasok dyan sa break ni Reyes at ito mukhang nagpatawa si Reyes at mukhang
How you doing, brother?
gustong hampasin niya yung 1 ball.
Yesterday.
At dito nga, back to table itong si Tim Bronner at meron siyang possible shot. 1 to 6 combination. Anong bola yon? 1 to 8. 1 to 8 combination doon sa corner pocket.
You should swing by later, John. Catch some of this tournament live. It's really awesome to see.
Yun lang, medyo manipis ang tira doon ni Brandon, no? Kaya
Oh, you went alone there.
nagmintis siya doon at hindi pumasok itong combination niya. Back to table si Reyes at meron siyang pagnanasang tapusin itong rack na ito at manalo sa match. Ang score natin, heel-to-heel match na sila dito mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Kinaliwa pa ni Reyes itong pagtira sa uno.
Make this easy one combo. Nothing and then.
Eksakto pa rin ang ball position niya dito sa uno, no? Ganon kalupit talaga ito si Reyes.
I know when I played Karen Core a couple weeks ago, my heart was in my throat. Like, it was 1-1, not so much, but when I was up, when I was on the hill, it was like, I could feel my heartbeat inside my mouth. It was, very hard to shoot that way.
Pasok ang unot, maganda ang takbo ng bola para sa dos. Ang lupit. Eksakto ang ball position niya sa dos at konting English lang ito. Konting push papunta doon sa ball number 3 sa itaas.
For the first part down to the final 8. And yeah, I think the races will go to 7 maybe at the end. But for now their race is to 5. One-day event, trying to make it all happen.
Muntik pang sumablay si Reyes doon pero kinain pa rin ng bola, no? At ito nga.
So we don't want him here until midnight as some tournaments tend to do.
Aiming si Reyes dito sa ball number 4.
Glad to see a lot of people tuning in and commenting. We love all your comments.
Very much appreciate the interaction.
Pasok ang 4 at maganda ang ball position. Pwede sa side pocket, pwede sa corner. Pero tingnan natin diskarte ni Reyes dito.
Big John's playing the GOAT was definitely one of the highlights of his life.
Yup. And Big John, you almost beat him too. Had that one ball.
So, sinide pocket ni Reyes at yun, tinutok niya pa dito sa 6 sa another side pocket.
It's just amazing to be an honor just to be at the table with him. It's like you're saying, he's the best in the sport. All the time.
Ang husay ng ball position dyan ni Reyes, no? Last 2 ball ni Reyes dito sa hill-to-hill match nila ni Tim Bronner. Eksakto ang ball position sa 9. Ito, napatawa pa si Reyes, naunahan niya pa si Tim at mukhang mananalo talaga dito si Reyes. What a comeback dito sa laro na ito at ito nga pumasok, panalo si Reyes sa match nila. Thank you for watching.